Tired of Google Calendar looking cluttered and hard to read? Change your layout in under 2 minutes. I'll walk you through the exact settings to customize your calendar's appearance, density, and colors. Start by clicking the Settings gear icon in the top right corner. Then, from the menu that appears, select Appearance to access your layout options. Now, open the Color Set drop-down menu to change the color style of your calendar. Go ahead and choose Classic with black text to switch from the Modern theme with white text. Next, adjust the Information Density setting to control the spacing and size of items on your calendar. If you want to reduce spacing and fit more information, select Compact. Finally, click Done to save your changes. And that's it. Your calendar layout is all set. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.